You need to hear this. If you check your reality and only see what you lack, always complaining that you don't have what you want, always desiring, always longing, you will always attract more of this lack, this neediness in your life. However, if you live in abundance and are grateful for what you have, that's what you will attract more of because you're not constantly desirous, yearning, longing. So be in abundance by actually being more grateful and seeing what you already have and being happy for what you already have. You need to hear this. Michael Jordan used to say that fears and limitations are just illusions. However, what he failed to mention is that those illusions and fears more often than not are self-made. So you have a choice to make. Do you choose to be limited by the limitations and the illusions that you have made by yourself, or do you choose to break free and dare to dream and think big? You need to hear this. At any given moment, you have the unbelievable power to choose. You can choose to be in abundance instead of complaining. You can choose gratitude instead of seeing the lack of things that you want in your life. You can choose love instead of hate. You can choose to see the good in yourself and others. So you can choose your attitude at any given moment in your life. So choose wisely. Choose what is positive, what is wholesome, what is loving, caring. Do not choose the negative, the hatred, the ill will, etc., etc. Choose wisely. You and most people fail to realize one thing and one thing only: the real power, the incredible power of your mind, the universe, the subconscious mind, even the brain, if you want to call it that. When you understand that not only you are super powerful, but you are also the master and God of your reality, you will not let yourself be deterred and discouraged by events in your life or people in your life or even yourself, because you understand there's a power far greater than you can even imagine. Do not fail to realize that. You need to take control over your thoughts. That's the only power you have, but it's the only power you need. So right here, right now, observe your thoughts. If you're not happy with the thoughts you are having, just replace them. It will take effort, it will take time, but you need to replace those negative thoughts with positive thoughts that are aligned with what you actually want to see in your reality.